Welcome to the Windows Club. If Chrome bookmarks have disappeared and you wish to get them back, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. We will stick to two solutions. The first one is to sign into your Google account. So search for Google or search for anything, and once Google displays it, click on sign in and then sign in to your work account or your personal account. The next solution will be to perform a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Then select the recommended restore point. Click on next and finally on finish to restore your bookmarks. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.